Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to import a JavaScript file, another JavaScript file into your existing DevWeb protocol script and make use of that imported script into your script and execute your performance test. Let's take an example. What I want to achieve. Let's take. We are using the think times here. And now what we'll do is like I create a new JavaScript file and I will add that to my existing script and I will call that methods in the new file, I mean the external files, and I'll make use in our main script, main performance dev web script. Okay. Uh, so like here it was, I'm returning the random string using the math floor function. Now what I will do the same thing by creating a new function and exporting that into a main script. Okay. First step, what we need to do is first we need to create a new file. If you already having a file, you can use the below two options. Now I'm creating a file. I'm naming it as a common.js. Okay. Once I created a file, you can see the files under extra files. Now right click this, select add to parsing list. Now our DevWeb protocol will start parsing and comparing this file also. But this is not the main file of your performance script. Whatever you have in this file can be used to support your main file, but we cannot declare this as a main file. Please make sure that it helps as a common validation function, so we can use a common standards as common text checks and everything in this file, and we can use that in our main script, main JS file. Okay, but the comment.js is not a main script. Even if you have you can write a script content here, but that has to call from the main script itself. Okay, I will repeat again. You can write your request here. I mean, you can keep the login functionality here, you can keep the logout functionality here, and you can use some common search functionality or some other common functionality in this file. But finally, you need to call the functions what you created in common.js from the main file itself. Okay, so that is the difference from the extra files and the main actual file. Okay, now I created a main file. Okay, so common file. I'm sorry, it's a common file. Now the first step what we need to do is declare a variable. You can use a let, or you can use a constant, or you can use a var also. So I will create a name as a common equal to required. So I'm telling my main script that we require one more file. So that we are going to use common.js. So make sure you have copied your folder perfectly, and you should give the path perfectly. So as the main script and so common.js both are on the same folder, I'm using the dot slash, okay, dot slash and the file name. If you're on some other folder, after the slash, give the folder name, again slash. So let's go to the script here. If you see, this is the folder. If you see, we have the main.file here, common.pl side by side on the same folder. That is the reason why I'm just giving with the dot and slash. If it is in some different folder, you need to mention the folder name and you need to give exact path of the script file. Okay. Now you added the importing the common file .js into a main script. Now time to declare or give some value into your creating a function. Now I'm creating a function think time as a function. I'm declaring with two arguments. First argument is minimum value and second argument maximum value, max value, and declare the body. Now the body, what I want to do is like I want to return the random value. What actually I'm doing, I don't want to use this math every time. Okay, so I'm copying this. I'm copying this, pasting this, and return. Okay, return statement. Now we have declared a function. Okay, this is the function body, and I have given the name as a add function. Now declare a function. Now export the function to our main script. Unless until you won't export, it won't work. It will show the compiler issues. Okay, think time. Think. Okay, I'll give some different name. Time. Add time. Okay, now this is the function. Now what you need to do is, like, when you are going to use that function, you need to use this function, because this is the constant for this file only, but you are exporting as a add time. Now you can mention that you are already created a common here. Now you can use common dot add. Okay, now I'm giving two variables, two fields. One is a 5 comma 10, which is a 5 and 10 seconds. Now I'll copy the same thing to the next thing time also. Near the next thing time here it is. So I'll copy the next thing time option. Okay, now replay. So now what we are doing is that actually we are creating a separate file, and we are letting know our LoadRunner to read that file. Then we are declaring the functions, and after creating the functions, we are using that functions in our main script. Okay, let's go to output folder. So if you see here, it was 8 seconds, here it was 8 seconds, and here it was 10 seconds. So both are in okay, both are in same group. Okay, say both are in initialize. So that's the reason why you didn't see that in iterations. Okay, so the thing times are randomly selected, 8 seconds and 10 seconds. Okay, I think we have done we have created a expected target. So we have created a new file, we have declared a new functions, and we have imported that functions. I mean, exported from the new createdly file and imported in our main file, and we use the functions what we have created in another file. Okay, so in the same way, you can create a new file, multiple files, and you can use like login as a separate file, search as a separate file, and you can use, or you can create multiple functions in the same file, and you can use the same functionality in here. Okay, thanks for learning this one. Please follow and subscribe our channel for more videos.